Oh my god, I think this is a watch. This is a watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 449. The following counties in Pennsylvania include the following counties: Indiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Lexington, and Westmoreland, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Be tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
A cold front.
NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Weather bulletin. For the following counties in
We want to hear
Pennsylvania.
new music like this.
I'm surprised I didn't get anything on this. On 97.9.
Turn on positive, encouraging K-Love.
Yeah, nothing.